Good morning and welcome back. Today I will showcase a new product, that is Exshow GoPro mount, which I have purchased from Amazon, and this is a budget friendly product and much less than the GoPro suction mount, and this helps you if you make videos on your own, just attaching to your windshield, and you can control this GoPro with your hand very easily, and it costs you around 300 to 400 rupees depending upon the price that prevails in Amazon. So I will install this product in my windshield and I will show you how it works. So this is the product which I have purchased from Amazon, a suction mount that is cheaper than the GoPro mount, and this one cost you around 350 to 400 rupees. So you can fix it on any glass. You see, it's quite sturdy, and another advantage of this product is that here is a rotating ball, so with which you can rotate your GoPro position accordingly. If you want the frontal view, you can do it like this. If you want this side view, you can do it like this. This is also one advantage of this product, and also it is quite sturdy and removing is very easy. Just press it here and open it. So this product is very handy those who are looking for a cheap GoPro mount. You can also use it in the side glass if you want for your POV videos, similar to this, but this is quite expensive because it has two ball rotating arms. It has only one, and it is also quite effective. If you are into blogging or anything like that, you can purchase it. The purchase link will be in the description box, so you can fix it like this also if you want this type of view. So it is very versatile. Just press it here and open it like this. And let me mount the GoPro. Now this is a swivel type of base, so you can rotate according to your requirement. That is an added advantage also. Now I have mounted the GoPro. There is a lock here, so with this you can tighten it up so it won't move, and this is the swivel base, and now you can rotate according to your requirement. Here is a lock also. Now let us start the GoPro. Now depending upon how much area you want to cover, you can use it like that, and you can also reposition it if you want. Here is a press button, so let me press it and I can open it. I can control the GoPro from my phone very easily, so I can power it on from here. So I have powered on the GoPro, you see, and I can make a preview. Once it's connected, it will be very fast. The initial time takes some time. So you can see the preview from here also. So you need not watch that particular window to preview your position. Now accordingly you can change your position as you want. Don't forget to clean your glass before you start taking up your videos. So this is the best position I feel, and you get the entire view of your windscreen, and I can switch up the GoPro from here also, so it becomes very easy for you. So if you find the video useful and if you think you need this type of product for your self blogging, you can definitely think of this product, and price is also very reasonable. So if you find the video useful, please do subscribe and like, because it is your like and subscribe gives us encouragement to make more videos for you.